what's up? It's your girl Diamond, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, but as you can see by the title, I'll be doing the little TikTok viral snacks. I hope it's good because I don't really like trying new stuff, so I hope it's good. I'm just gonna do it. I'm like, cause I'm always on TikTok, and I'm like, let me go and try this for my YouTube. So I'm like, okay, cool. Okay, let me get the next so I can I'm gonna do a cotton candy and a pickle one first, okay? Wait, so let me get it thumbnail. Y'all see the drip? Y'all see the drip? Oh, let the foot see. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Y'all see the drip? Look at my drip. But yeah, let me wash my hands. That's the first thing you're supposed to do. Anyway. Okay. Wash your hands. Now I'm gonna try the cotton candy and pickle. Let me pour the juice out. Oh, this is good. And you know you gotta dry it off. So I'm drying the pickle off. And I don't even really like pickles or hot pickles, and it's a hot pickle, so yeah. I really don't even like hot pickles. But I do like cotton candy. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put blue. I'm gonna put blue and pink. It's real. It's into your hand. You get on your hand now. Okay. Do it on there. It's so crunchy. Ooh. See, it's not bad. It tastes like a sweet pickle, like a sweet relish. You know the sweet relish pickle? That's what it tastes like. It's really not bad, but this probably makes your stomach up. And I'm done with that. It really ain't bad, but that ain't nasty. Okay. Next person. Okay, they actually did some. Okay. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. I'm trying to move y'all up. Okay. Okay. You know we're doing a jalapeno one. You know the jalapeno one with the jalapenos with Takis and cream cheese. So yeah, let me get a knife. probably needed a butter knife, but I think I didn't need a butter knife. So. I'm trying to make sure I don't leave nothing hot in here. Cause I don't, This is loud. This loud. This jalapeno is loud. Yeah, this is real loud. Yeah. Y'all see it's cleaned out. Yeah. But y'all know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and push that notification bell so you can always know when my video is coming or when I'm posting. Yeah. Like, post up. Let me rinse this out. Okay, I just rinsed it out. Now, I ain't even rinsed it yet. I mean, inside this. This is strong, y'all. And then we open the cream cheese. I should have washed this off because it's still all up in this. Okay. I don't need that to be too hot now. Ooh. Yeah, like you don't want to stay in here. Just stay for me now. I put the cream cheese in there. Oh, okay. Let me open it. Put some more cream cheese because I don't need it to be too high. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Wait for me. It's not bad. It ain't even hot. Yeah, it ain't even hot. It's not bad. Okay, TikTok did some. Okay. That little snack is good. Okay. Doing good a little bit. Okay. TikTok did your thing. TikTok did their thing for real, cause this thing, I thought they was gonna be a little nasty, but actually they good. And that was a good That was good to try. Okay, TikTok, you did your thing, okay. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos because I'm coming back to back with the videos. Yeah, if you wanna be with Diamond, better stay tuned because she on the road. Oh yeah, she's on the road. She doing these videos. She making these videos for y'all. So stay tuned for more videos because they coming in. They coming. Stay tuned for more videos because I will be back. And I love y'all. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe because I'm coming back with more videos. And yeah, go follow me on Instagram at dex.damo and on Twitter at dex.damo. And yeah, see you later.